Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DECN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, as we head into the weekend here, got a, from a charting perspective, very, very nice little pattern here. And I mean, there's no such thing as a guarantee in the market. So I don't want to come across like this thing is for sure going back up to, 24, 25, 26, up in the high 20s. But I mean, from a technical perspective, I don't think anybody would be really shocked to see that happen after the formation that occurred today. And the kind of the backbone here of the formation is in regards to that purple line there, the 50-period moving average, which even if you have a basic understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 50-period moving average, and you know that when the price is above it, you definitely want to see the price stay above it. And I mean, check out how that played out right here. I mean, it was almost like if you want to picture this as a wave and then the price action is like a surfer. I mean, check out how these candles just surfed on that wave right there. Truly a nice sign of power. Again, does that mean that this is for sure breaking out and going to the upside next week? No, there's no such thing as a for sure. But my point is it's at least it's at least a rational thought to be having after seeing how the price behaved, today. But as far as, if there is going to be any sort of upwards movement, then the key battleground to watch now very closely right up here at the 18-cent mark. So if you just kind of get rid of both these lines, let's just pick a neutral color. So we'll go with blue. So if you envision this is a trend line, and then this says a trend line right here, I mean, what you have here is a nice little ascending triangle within an overall bullish pattern. An overall bullish trend. Sure, the price is pulled back here, but right now it's still just a pullback. It's not like the price has crashed on through any of the major moving averages or anything like that. So again, the overall context is still bullish. It's a bullish trend. Now you have this bullish pattern forming within the trend. So there's a lot of bullishness going on. Once again, I want to end with this like I started. Just because there's lots of bullish doesn't mean that for sure the markets are going up. I really wish trading was that easy. But like I said, I don't think anybody would be shocked to see the price ultimately get a nice move back to the upside. So we'll see what next week brings with it. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.